A standard personal injury case in which I represent people for begins with an accident. Something happens, some event, something takes place where you are injured. You may be confused, you may be stressed out, you may be in the hospital. A lot of things could take place. Ultimately, how it works once you retain our firm is like this. You go through a process of recovery, your medical treatment. During that time frame after you've hired us, what we do is our investigation. We order the police report. We start beginning to get all your medical records. We start acquiring all your medical bills. Maybe you missed time from work. We get a wage loss verification statement from your employer. At the end of your case, hopefully when you make a great, thorough recovery, what we do is we then present a demand letter to the insurance company. If we're able to settle your case, we obviously get an offer from the insurance company. Then we negotiate and we go back and forth and we present that to you. If we're able to settle the case and you're happy with the offer and it's something that we believe in our opinion is a good offer that keeps you out of court, the case will end. You'll get your money and the case will be over with. And the money will be there to help you compensate you for what happened to you. There's more that I want to tell you about this, so please see our next video about if the case goes into litigation. If your case does not settle, for some reason the insurance company for the party that caused your injury does not believe that either number one, their client or what we call their insured is not responsible, or they play games with you and they don't offer you the type of money that you need, we may decide together at that point to file a lawsuit. When we file a lawsuit, the process begins. Typically in Cook County or in many of the local different counties that around Chicago, it takes approximately anywhere from 18 months to maybe 2 years or more to get through the legal system. That's not my fault. That's not your fault. That's because of all the cases that are filed in these different districts. Bottom line is, once a case is filed, we begin what's called the discovery process. During the discovery phase, we ask the other party questions and they get to ask us questions, sometimes in written questions called interrogatories, or sometimes in what's called a deposition, basically where we give verbal responses to the lawyer representing the other party. I get to ask the other party questions, they get to ask us questions, or you. Also, we may have depositions of your doctors to figure out exactly what was wrong with you. What did they diagnose you with? After that phase of your case, if it doesn't settle, what happens is we ultimately get to go to a trial. Perhaps the percentage on trials these days is about 95% of cases settle without going to trial. So the likelihood of having to go to trial is very small. If you're one of the rare few people whose cases actually go to trial, that's an entirely different process that we will walk you through step by step. It's a scary thought going into a jury, but believe me, you will be well prepared. We will meet with you for days in advance. We will provide you with all the information. We'll go over your facts of your case. We'll discuss with you all the things we believe that another lawyer is going to ask you. And ultimately, we'll ask you to just tell the truth. Because ultimately, that's what a trial is all about. It's a search for the truth. And the outcome is what the outcome is. The jury trial is nothing to be scared of. It's your right. It's your constitutional right. We want to make sure that you're afforded that right. And we'll do everything we can to make sure to get you the best possible settlement. And if that's not a possibility, you will go to a jury trial and we will bring back the result you deserve. You deserve. You deserve. You deserve.